disappointment stings deep in my soul, but I won't let it hold me, make me feel so low. I've learned to say goodbye to what once was mine and step into the new with a brand new shine. I'll close the door on the past, lock away the pain, open my arms to the future without any chains. I'm ready to